In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an affiliate marketing program for your Wix store using Affiliate Builder. First, make sure you're working in the right place. Head to wix.com and log in to your account. From your site's dashboard, choose the specific Wix store where you want to run the affiliate program. If you manage multiple sites, double check you're selecting the store, not a blog or portfolio site, so the integration connects to the right products and checkout. With the correct site open, launch the site editor and give it a moment to fully load. In the left-hand sidebar, click Add Apps to open the Wix App Market. Use the search bar to look up Affiliate Builder. If you see Affiliate Builder Pro or a closely named official version, that's fine. Select the legitimate listing. Click Add or Install. Review the requested permissions and confirm. The installation may take a few seconds while everything sets up behind the scenes. Next, open and activate the app. In your Wix dashboard, click Apps, find Affiliate Builder, and open it. On the setup screen, enter your business email address so you can receive notifications and manage program communications. Then toggle the affiliate program status to active. Also, ensure any recommended dashboard widgets are enabled so your key metrics appear right where you manage your store. Now set up the program details. In the Affiliate Builder dashboard, click Get Affiliates to start the guided setup. Define your commission structure, either a percentage per sale or a flat amount based on your margins and typical order value. Choose which products or collections the program will cover. So promotions focus on what you actually want to incentivize. Set up tracking and referral links so each affiliate gets a unique URL and your sales are accurately attributed. Then configure payment details, such as collecting affiliates' PayPal emails so payouts are smooth and timely. If you want to invite people right away, open Wix email marketing from your dashboard, pick a template, add your message, and send it to your contacts. Once active, the Affiliate Builder dashboard becomes your command center. You'll see your affiliates list, their unique IDs and links, clicks, conversions, and sales, plus how much each person has earned and their saved payment information. From here, you can approve payments, export performance data, and adjust commissions as your strategy evolves. To grow the program, share your affiliate sign-up link with marketers, loyal customers, or community members, and keep an eye on performance. Update rules or payouts as needed to reward high-quality referrals and protect your margins. That's how you create an affiliate marketing program for Wix stores. By installing Affiliate Builder from the app market, activating the program, and using the dashboard, you can start paying affiliates for sales on your store without complex coding or external tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll